Is your HP DeskJet printer showing a paper jam error? This issue can appear where there's an actual paper stuck inside your printer, or there's a software issue or settings issue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix both the types of paper jams: a real jam, where paper is actually stuck inside your printer, or a ghost jam, where your printer keeps showing the error even when there is nothing there. And if you're still stuck after this video, just call the numbers on the screen to get real-time guidance from our expert team. Alright then, let's jump right in and get your HP DeskJet printing smoothly again. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Check for paper jam. First, turn off your printer, then flip it over and check the bottom side. Remove any paper or torn paper pieces if you find stuck there. Next, carefully unscrew the front and back sides of the printer to open the top cover. Once the top cover is off, take a good look inside your printer. Check every corner carefully and remove any paper or small pieces that might be stuck inside. Now, grab a clean, dry cloth and gently wipe the roller. Give it a slow spin to make sure it is moving freely and smoothly. Finally, place the top cover back on and tighten the screws back into their place, and your printer should be ready to go. If you're still unable to resolve the paper jam or get stuck at any step, you can quickly get help by contacting our expert team. And if these solutions work for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Method 2. Run the system troubleshooter. Click the Start menu on your computer and go to Settings. Once Settings open, look at the left side and click System. Scroll down a little until you see Troubleshoot and then click it. That'll take you to a new page. Click on the other troubleshooter to see other options. Scroll through the list until you find the printer, then hit the Run button right next to it. Windows will now automatically scan for any printer issues. Just follow the on-screen instructions as they appear and let Windows handle the rest. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.